Namaskar, प्यारे बच्चों. Good morning. Today I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to tell you about economics, and in economic sector of economy. Friends, I tell you about the sector of economics. Second chapter of CBSE NCERT economics book, 10th standard, and they are about economy. In economy, we have three sectors: primary sector, secondary, we can say manufacturing, and third tertiary or service sector. In primary sector, there are a lot of works like fishing, farming, mining, earth related, water related, as we can say that all works which is related from nature. It means a nature related all work we call primary sector. And in secondary sector, it means manufacturing. It means the word manufacturing define the sector. Manufacture, when we manufacture anything, just car, factory, flour mill, electronics, industry. When any product comes from mine and we get another form, we get a pure form of that product, we can use secondary sector. And after it there are tertiary sector. In sector we say service means Shiva. As we understand from this word service, banking, teaching, I'm just teaching you, it means I'm just providing my service. That is service sector. In India, service sector is important, very important. Insurance, bima, retail shops. Okay, I'm just telling you one example. This is the biscuit of Parle-G. Okay, we got grain from primary sector. Now we get a form of biscuit from industry, secondary sector, and now we purchase this packet of biscuit Parle-G from a retail shop. It means we are using tertiary or service sector. Are you getting my points? Grain from primary sector, we got a form of biscuit from secondary sector, industry, and tertiary sector helps us to provide near my shop. संजय भैया की दुकान से मैंने Parle-G बिस्किट लिया. इट मीन संजय भैया क्या कर रहे हैं? टर्टियरी सर्विस या सर्विस सेक्टर में काम कर रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट टीचिंग यू. मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? सेवा दे रहा हूं, टीचिंग. ओके, तो वी हैव थ्री सेक्टर. फर्स्ट प्राइमरी सेक्टर, सेकंड सेक्टर, टर्टियरी सेक्टर. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट chapter for you, and this is a very important 1 and 2 marks question always asked from exam center. Okay, thank you.